In this video, we will point out the various components of the control valve. The front face of the control valve is part of the power head assembly. This is the display screen and the keypad buttons used to program the system. When power is provided, the display screen will flash between the current time of day and the remaining number of gallons left before the system will perform its regeneration process. This is the inlet side view of the control valve. The water flows into the control valve from this side. Here's the side view of the power head, and this tiny screw that keeps the front display cover attached to the power head. There's another screw on the other side as well. This label shows the control valve's serial number that you'll want to make note of. This is known as the brine line elbow, which contains the brine line flow control. This is where the injector set and screen will be found behind this injector cover. This is the drain line elbow, which contains the drain line flow control. This is a clip and screw that keeps the valve body attached to the bypass valve. There's another set on the other side of the control valve as well. This is the meter cable that measures the flow of water that passes through the system. This is a plug and clip that generally should not be removed, but if necessary, it could be removed to help obtain a raw water sample from this port. This is the bypass tool, which is a hexagonal shaped tool that assists in opening and closing the bypass valve. We're now showing the back side of the control valve, and this is the back plate of the power head. This shows a different angle of the brine line elbow, the drain line elbow, and the bypass tool. This is the port that the raw water supply is connected to. This is known as the inlet side. Whereas this port is where the treated water comes out of the control valve and is known as the outlet side. The red clips are used to connect the plumbing adapters to the control valve and securing them in place. This is the outlet side view of the control valve. Here's the other screw that keeps the front display cover attached to the power head. Also, here's a better view of what is called the valve body and the other clip and screw that attaches it to the bypass valve. We're also showing another angle of the power connector, the meter cable, and the other plug and clip that generally should not be removed, but if it is necessary, could be removed to help obtain a treated water sample from this port. And here we've arrived back to the front face of the control valve, and we have now seen all of the external control valve components.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com.